Do you need a water system? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, your home is the one that's going to tell you. So will your hair. The spots on your dishes, okay? Dry skin, dry brittle hair, your faucet in the shower, the gray ring on the inside of a toilet, your laundry. These are all really great areas that are going to tell you that you need to take care of your whole home and you do need a water system. When these signs are ignored, the problems just don't vanish away. They become major costs to you and your family, and they may even cause long-term health effects for you and your family. Let's dive into that for a second. When we look at water that has calcium or magnesium in it, and that's that white film that shows up on the shower, on the faucet here. Take a look at that close up right there. You can see all that white film there. That's building up on the not just on the outside, that's building up on the inside of the plumbing. That's building up inside your dishwasher. Now, if left untreated, you end up clogging the aerators and the jets that are spraying and cleaning your dishes. Now, guess what? Left untreated over a period of time, you're going to drastically reduce the lifespan of your dishwasher. Your wash machine. We're going to go over here and we're going to take a look. Same thing with an ice maker. If you have an ice maker, same exact problem. The rock will ruin the components inside of there. Inside here, we have a water heater. This becomes one of the most expensive items in a home is your water heater, because the heat oxidizes the rock off the water droplet and it lands on the bottom of that water heater. That's why water heater companies put what's called a magnesium rod in there to attract the rock out. But it's not geared to handle very hard water, and they don't last very long. So if you're looking to be able to protect your family and your household and the investment you made in that, then yes, a whole home water system is very, very important for your family. Now, there's several of them out there. We're going to dive into those so you can understand what works and what doesn't work. So we're going to take a look at some of these systems so that you understand what the differences are. There are several differences. When you go online and you're dealing with that white film that causes all this damage, the white film and chlorine dries out the hair, dries out the skin. It ruins the seals on a dishwasher, chlorine and the rock, right? The rock ruins the water heater, it ruins your clothing. We use more and more soap products like Tide because it's got liquid softening agents in there. But what I'm going to talk to you about today is how important a whole home refiner or an Angel Pure Soft system will do for you. These are trademark names so that you can feel comfortable with the fact that it's going to address both of the contaminants that are in the water. First, we're going to just take a look at the rock in the water. As you can see on this image that we have for you to look at, we have calcium attached to the water droplet. Then we have chlorine also added to the water droplet. Those things can be removed from a whole house filter system. So you can look at some of these units which are just water softeners. Yeah, those are old 1970, 1980 designs. There's a lot of companies out there that have systems like that. But if you want something that does both, takes the chlorine out of the water and takes the rock out, EcoWater makes one of the best refiners on the market today. It's a refiner. It's not a traditional softener. What that refiner means is that it's going to absorb the chlorine out of the water and drastically reduce it, and it's going to remove the rock out of the water as well. So that's how we're able to give you and your family more luscious hair. It's going to feel slippery at first, but that's a great thing. That's your natural oils coming out of your body. We want that. So when people complain like, wait a second, water softeners or this or that makes my skin slippery, that's a great thing because that's your natural oils. We want that to happen. It takes you about 6 weeks for your skin to get used to that, but it's fantastic. Also, when you have a refiner system, it has carbon like this built into it. So that's absorbing the chlorine, which also dries out the skin, dries out the hair. It also causes problems for seals on all the appliances that you might have. So if you're in the market to, get a whole home water system, if you're in the market to take care of your family, if you're in the market to protect the investment that you have in your home, well, a EcoWater Refiner or an Angel Pure a soft system is a trademark product that actually will get you the best quality for you and your family. If you have further questions on that, check out our link below. We'll help you understand more. You can reach us at angelwater.com, or you can, of course, call us at 847-382-7800. If you have any friends and family that you know that could benefit from getting their families more healthy with a system like this, please share this information to them as well, because we'd love to be able to expand our network of people that watch our videos. And as you know, my name is Drew, and my passion is to serve you.